Hi everyone, I'm Kayla with McNerdy Makes and welcome back. Y'all, it has been a nutty few months. I just wanted to say a quick thank you for all of the continued support during my hiatus. I'm so grateful for all of the just absolute crazy enthusiasm for the maker competition. I'm just blown away by the support. I did not win $25,000, but hey, 5th place ain't too shabby. And maybe it's a good thing that I didn't dump a whole bunch of money into that space because I've moved again since then. Twice in the last 6 months, as a matter of fact. I'm really gonna miss my medieval sewing space, especially after all that time I spent renovating it. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of things that I do differently from the start, and now I get the chance to do them properly now. I moved first at the beginning of the year to a farm with lots of lovely space, and then again a couple of months ago, but this time back to the city. Life has kind of thrown some insane changes and wrenches in there, but you know what? I think this is a good thing. I now have a workshop and a studio to work in. They'll both need some fixing up and some organizational stuff, but I'm really happy to have a space outside of the home to work in. Currently, we're in my home sewing space with Lucy and Ethel here, both treadle turned. I think it's important for me to have crafts that move kind of slower and time for myself that's specifically not devoted to filming or having to rush for a deadline. Something that I've really come to appreciate over the absolute chaos over the last few months. But looking forward to the future, I put a poll out on the community tab wondering what you guys would like to see next. To be 100% honest, I really only threw out the shop and studio tour as a random thought, never really believing that anybody would actually be interested in watching that. But as it turns out, it was by far the most popular response. And now I'm like, shit, I didn't think I'd make it this far. Now what? There's still a ton of work to do to make it a functional and comfortable working space, but if I keep putting this video off until I'm ready for that video to come out, not sure that it'll ever be done. And this way, I'll be able to show everybody what it looks like before, and you can experience the progress right along with me. So let's take a short drive and head on over there. All right, everyone, this is Auric. I'm super excited to introduce him to you guys and talk to you about the exciting partnership we've got going on here. So I met Auric ages ago when he was teaching a blacksmithing class. How do you pronounce your name again?
Auric.
Auric, okay. What are we doing today?
Today we're going to be doing an introductory session on blacksmithing. Specifically, we're going to be making an S-hook.
Awesome, well, let's get started. That's great. I met Auric ages ago when he was teaching a blacksmithing class, and it was so much fun and I learned a ton. But it just so happens that Auric also owns a small business that generates some waste, and so we've decided to partner in finding ways to take those materials and find a use for them. So what kind of materials are you going to be having me recycle for these guys?
Well, my business generates an absolute mess of materials, everything from scrap copper, aluminum, even glass and wood. So if we can take these things and repurpose them into cool projects, McNerdy, sky's the limit.
Awesome. Well, I'm super excited to show you guys the rest of the shop, and let's get on with the tour. This is the shop. I've got a ton of space to work with here, and it's not quite organized right now. There's a lot of tools and things that need to get shuffled around and things that need to happen to make the space more efficient and make it a little bit more mine. If you've watched any of my videos before, you'll understand. So we've got this whole area over here with some workbenches and some tool storage, and over here we've got a ton more. Most of this is specifically my stuff over here, just kind of figuring out a good way to make this a functional, come around this direction and then grab things over here. So there's a lot to be done as far as the organization goes, but I've got a ton of storage, a ton of space. Everything up here on the loft kind of area, there's just lots of space up there to be able to throw things up there and store plastics. All right, so this is the workshop, and I'm sure that I will find a way to make this my own, but I'm really excited about the studio, so let's go check that out. All right, so this is kind of the main floor living of the studio area. So I think this used to be an apartment that somebody had kind of started renovating, and it's been vacant for quite a while. So if you'll notice cobwebs and spots that need to be repaired, that is on the list of things to do, just slowly but surely. So this here is kind of the main area. This is a new acquisition that maybe hopefully you'll be seeing at some point in videos, but been doing some weaving. It's been a lot of fun. And then upstairs in the kind of loft area up here, right, this is where my sewing space will be. Right here, I've kind of started to get some things organized, fabrics and patterns and things like that. Just storage space out here, and then in here I've got where I'm going to be setting up my table and things like that. So the big table is going to go right here, and I'm hoping to do a whole lot of decorating, but for now, so having these couches and everything up here I think is going to be a great thing, because I think this will be a nice place for people to hang out if they're coming to work in like a makerspace. I plan on sharing this with anybody. I mean, that loom alone is going to be wonderful to have in a makerspace. You know, if somebody wants to do a weaving project and they don't have space in their tiny apartment for that great big loom. I have plans for decoration. If you have any suggestions, absolutely feel free to throw them in. I am super excited to be here in this space and can't wait to see all the fun things that I'm going to be able to do with this much space. I'm so thankful to Auric and to everyone for allowing this to be possible for me. So thank you. Now that you guys have seen the workspaces, let's find out what our sponsors think about all of this. Hey, where is she? Who? Who do you think? No, don't think so. How about budget? No, not for a while. How are we supposed to get anything done around here? The vote said we needed to do a studio and a workshop tour, and we still haven't even finished unpacking. I think imposter syndrome's lurking in the basement. Ooh, medieval basket weaving. We should try that. Yeah, see ya. Hey, have you... Never mind. What's that? Why can I never find the light? You! Jesus! Who dares enter my domain? Bro, you scared the shit out of me. What the hell are you doing down here? Dare ask questions, you puny mortal. I am... Yeah, whatever. I'm looking for budget. I do not have that which you seek. Those answers you must find for yourself. And when you find them, return to me and... Thanks, dude. Man, I was gonna give you a quest in everything. Hey! What's up, dude? Hang on. I ran all the way here. Looking for Budget. Have you seen her? Yes, that's why I ran. Budget got kidnapped. What? No way. I saw it all happen. We've got to call someone. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Budget's been kidnapped! Dude, you're panicking. Relax. No, I saw the whole thing. There was a white van down the street and I thought they were watching us. So I went to like preemptively get the license plate number, right? So I snuck up from the bushes and then Budget locked up and... So, did you get it? Get what? The license plate number? No, but there was a lot going on, okay? All I know is they took Budget and they drove off. And I should have stopped it, and it's all my fault. It's not your fault. Calm down. We'll find Budget. Just tell me everything you remember about that van. Well, I noticed it this morning. It was white, and it said free candy on the side. What? Budget doesn't eat candy. That's weird. No. Eating candy is frivolous and childish and leads to dental bills. Oh my God. What? It said free. I ain't afraid to move ghosts. Oh, damn, dude. Oh no, what are we gonna do? I have no idea. Y'all are just figments of my imagination. Oh, don't worry, dude. We'll find Budget soon. Hey guys, I got some free candy this morning. You want some? What? So, how about that video we've been waiting on for months? What? Everyone was thinking it. I was just saying it out loud. Coming up next on McNerdy Makes. Medieval things, as you do.